So now let's see how we can work around with perspective tool properties inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with the perspective tool properties, first of all, I'm going to go to object and then I'm going to go to perspective and draw in perspective right here just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, this is what you have. I can go ahead and now change its properties. Like right now, the field right here is now not locked, but I can go ahead and lock it out so that it stays in place just like that as well. So let me just go ahead and click on it to unlock it. And right now you can see that it is an orthographic view right now. But I can also go ahead and turn, like, let's say, for example, the top view or the side view right here and change around the settings as well. Let me just go ahead and then click on finish right here. And right now you can see that this is the perspective right here. You can go ahead and edit it to get the perspective back. But right now, I only had 1 point perspective. So let's just go around over here. And then before drawing, I can also go ahead and choose the type of perspective, like 1 point perspective, 2 point, 3 point, worm's eye view, a bird's eye. So let me just go around onto worm's eye. Then you got this type of a perspective right here. So you can choose the top view. You can choose the left view and the right view right here just like this, and simply go ahead and draw out right here from that particular perspective from the worm's eye view. As you can see right here, you can go for the top view right here just like this as well, and you can go around with the side view right here just like this as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. And besides this, you can also go around and enable and disable the horizon and change around the percentage level of the horizon as well, just like this. So you can see that you can change around the color of the outline right here just like this as well, and change around the outline color of the grids as you want as well. And this is how you can simply go ahead and change around the perspective tool properties inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe